Let me tell you something shocking. Every morning you wake up with the exact same amount of wealth as Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett. You see, while they might have billions in the bank, you have the same 24 hours they do. The difference? They invested their time. Most people waste theirs. Jack Ma failed my college entrance exams 3 times. KFC rejected him. 24 people applied. 23 got hired. They said no to him. Harvard rejected him 10 times. But here's what Jack Ma learned. Time isn't just money. Time is the only currency that can't be printed, borrowed, or stolen. And how you spend it determines whether you die rich or die regretting. Pause. Let that sink in. Are you interested in this topic? If so, drop this in the comments. If I'm rejected, I will continue till I succeed. When I see your comment, I'll know you're wise, and I'll give you a heart. If you'd like to support this channel, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. It means the world to me. Now that you've commented and subscribed, let's dive in. Number 1. The lie you've been sold. Hard work equals success. You know what's funny? The hardest workers in the world are broke. The farmer plowing fields at 4 a.m., broke. The factory worker doing 12-hour shifts, broke. The office employee grinding 60-hour weeks, still broke. Meanwhile, some kid in a garage builds an app in 6 months and sells it for $1 billion. Why? Because hard work doesn't make you rich. Smart work does. And smart work starts with how you spend your 24-hour currency. Foolish people trade time for money, hourly wages. Average people trade skills for money, salaries. Rich people trade ideas and systems for money, assets. Which one are you? Comment right now. I'm trading ideas, not hours. And let's get real. Number 2. The Netflix trap. Why you're still broke. In 1995, Jack Ma borrowed $2,000 to start China Pages. For 3 years he made zero profit. Know what he didn't do? Binge watch TV, scroll mindlessly on social media, complain that the system is rigged. Jack Ma spent every minute learning, failing and adapting. Meanwhile, most people spend 4 hours per day on entertainment. That's 1,460 hours per year. Enough to master a skill, then wonder why they're stuck. Here's the cold truth. The reason you don't have money is because you're willing to trade your time for things that don't pay you back. Drop a comment, I'm done wasting time, if you mean it. 3. The 3-time investments that made me a billionaire. Jack Ma didn't get rich by accident. He rigged the game by investing my 24-hour currency in one. Learning. When no one was watching, he taught himself English by guiding tourists for free for 9 years. Studied the internet in his 30s when others said, it's a fad. Lessons, skills compound. The more you learn, the more you earn. 2. Failure. The best teacher. Jack Ma failed exams. Jack Ma got rejected from jobs. Alibaba's first 3 years, disaster. But every no taught him what not to do next time. If you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. 3. Systems. Breaking the time for money cycle. Built Alibaba so others could make money while I made more. Automated, delegated, and scaled. Lesson: poor people trade time for money. Rich people build systems that print money while they sleep. Type in comments, I'm building systems, and start today. 4. The 70-year-old test. Will you pass or fail? Close your eyes. Imagine yourself at 70 years old. Version 1. You're frail, dependent on family. Praying Social Security covers your pills. Version 2. You travel the world, fund your grandkids' dreams, and leave a legacy. What's the difference? How you spent your 24-hour currency at 30, 40, and 50. Did you invest time in learning? Did you build assets? Or did you waste it on distractions? The choice is yours, but time is running out. Comment, I choose legacy, and let's make it happen. Jack Ma was poor. He was rejected. He was told you'll never succeed, but he refused to let my 24-hour currency expire worthless. Starting today, you will audit your time, track every hour for 3 days. You'll be horrified. Cut one time waster. Netflix, gossip, scrolling. Pick one. Invest 1 hour a day in learning, books, courses, or this channel. If you're ready, comment, "I'm reclaiming my time." Let me ask you something painful. Why do 99% of people work hard their entire lives, but never get rich? Is it because they're lazy? No, Jack Ma worked 16-hour days as a teacher and made $12 a month. Is it because they're not smart? No. Jack Ma failed my college exams 3 times. Is it because the system is rigged? Yes, but not how you think. The truth. You've been playing a game where the rules changed 20 years ago. They told you, go to school, get a job, save money. Meanwhile, Jack Ma built empires by breaking every rule they taught you. Number 4. The death of the 9-to-5, and why you're still clinging to it. Jack Ma was rejected from 30 jobs. Even KFC said no to me. But here's what I learned. The safest job is the riskiest place to be. In 1999, Jack Ma saw the internet and thought, this will change everything. People laughed. Jack, you're crazy. China doesn't need the internet. Today, Alibaba handles $1.2 trillion in sales annually. Wake up call. AI is replacing lawyers, accountants, and even doctors. Your stable job, it's one algorithm away from extinction. Ask yourself, am I building a paycheck or an empire? Comment right now, I choose empire. And let's get real. If you're getting value from this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it really helps the channel grow. I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, and with your support I know we can get there. Now that you've liked and subscribed, let's continue with our discussion. Number 5. The 50-25-25 rule. How the rich stay rich in any economy. You know what's funny? Banks pay you 0.1% interest, then loan your money out at 10%. Stop being their ATM. Here's how I allocate wealth: 50%. Real assets, your financial fortress, land, apartments, warehouses. Why? Banks can't print more land. During inflation, real estate eats the rich's debt for breakfast. 25%. Offense investments, your rocket ship, startups, stocks, cryptocurrency. Jack Ma invested $50,000 in a no-name company called Alibaba. Today, $500 billion, 25%. Cash, your war chest. Not in a bank, in gold, stable coins, or short-term treasuries. When the market crashes, and it will, you buy bargains while others panic. Your move: am I saving pennies or building generational wealth? Type in comments, I'm playing the 50-25-25 game, and start today. Number 6. The pastor trap. Why faith without works keeps you broke. Jack Ma respects faith, but God doesn't reward laziness. Pastors waiting for offerings to survive. That's not faith. That's financial suicide. Jack Ma built Alibaba while people called me a fool. You're waiting for a miracle while scrolling TikTok. Hard truth. Your gift, preaching, teaching, coaching, is a multi-million-dollar asset. Monetize it. Books, courses, consulting. Stop begging for donations. Start creating value. Comment, my gift is my empire, if you're ready to act. Number 7. The grass is greener. Scam. Why running abroad won't save you. A friend sold everything to move to America. Now he drives Uber 14 hours a day. Here's what no one tells you. America's middle class is drowning in $1.7 trillion in student debt. Europe's youth unemployment is 25%. Your problem isn't location, it's leverage. Solution: learn digital skills, coding, AI, copywriting. Earn in dollars from your living room. The internet is the new land of opportunity. Drop a comment, I'm building global income, and escape the rat race. Number 8. Debt, the billionaire's secret weapon, and your biggest fear. They told you debt is bad. Meanwhile, Jack Ma scaled Alibaba with investor debt. You're scared of a $500 credit card bill. The gain: bad debt, borrowing for TVs, vacations, and designer clothes. Good debt, borrowing to buy assets that pay you back. Example: Borrow $300,000 to buy a rental property. Rent pays the mortgage, plus puts $1,000 per month in your pocket. You just turned debt into an employee. Type, "I'm using debt to get rich," and watch your mindset shift. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself at 90 years old. Version 1. You're in a nursing home, praying Social Security covers your meds. Version 2. You're on a yacht, funding startups, and leaving a legacy. What's the difference? What you did in the next 12 months. Will you learn AI or pretend it's a fad? Will you buy assets or keep renting your life? Will you build systems or keep trading time for money? The clock is ticking. If this lit a fire in you, smash like. Subscribe because the revolution starts now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, today. Drop one last comment. I'm all in, and let's make your 90-year-old self proud. Remember, I love you.